Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a drive through the main road of Falkville, Alabama. This small town is rich in history and offers a glimpse into the past while embracing the present. Falkville was established in 1859 by Louis Falk, a merchant from Prussia. He opened a general store here, and the town was named in his honor. The arrival of the Louisville and Nashville Railroad in the early 1870s spurred growth, with a rail station opening in 1872. As you drive through, you'll notice a blend of historic charm and modern amenities. The town hall, constructed in 1936 by the Works Progress Administration, now serves as the public library, reflecting Falkville's commitment to preserving its heritage. Thank you for joining us on this tour through Falkville, Alabama.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!